Welcome back to the Old Coin Vault. If you're new here, we uncover the real stories and values behind old coins, cutting through the online noise. Today, we're tackling a specific coin that causes a lot of confusion. The 1981 Malaysia 20 center. You might have seen some wild prices for it online. But by the end of this video, you'll know its true value, its fascinating history, and exactly what to look for on your own piece. Let's get started. First, let's meet the coin. Issued by Bank Negara Malaysia, this 20-cent piece is from the third series of Malaysian coinage. Design. The reverse features Malaysia's iconic Parliament House. The obverse shows the Federal Star and crescent moon. Composition. It's made from copper nickel, a durable, silvery alloy that's been used in coins for centuries. Physical stats. It weighs about 5.68 grams and has a diameter of 23.4 millimeters. Reference. For collectors, it's cataloged as KM number 4. Engagement prompt. Have you found one of these? Drop a comment below and tell me what condition you think it's in. But a coin story isn't just in its design, it's in its life. And the story of a 1981 20 cents value is a numbers game with a twist. Main content, Section 2. The mintage myth, 240 to 430. Point 2. The 144 million reality check. Visual, animated counter skyrocketing to 144,128,000. Graphic comparing mintage to other common coins. Here's the deal breaker, the mintage. In 1981, a staggering 144,128,000 of these 20 sun coins were struck. Let that number sink in. 144 million. That's not rare, it's incredibly common. This massive supply is the number one reason why, despite what you might read on some websites, a standard circulated 1981 20 sun has a very low numismatic value, often just $1 or $2. The value of $144 you might have seen is almost certainly an error or refers to something else entirely, like a complete proof set or a misprinted coin. Finding this helpful? If you are, do me a huge favor, smash that like button right now. It really helps the channel grow, so I can make more deep dives like this. Main content, Section 3, Real Value and Grading, 430 to 745. Point 3, Condition is everything, the 50 to 53 Australian dollars grade. Visual, side-by-side comparison of coin grades, circulated EU, 50 to 53, and mint state. Use arrows to point out specific where points like luster and scratches. So, when is it worth more? Only in top condition. A coin graded AU, 50 to 53, meaning about uncirculated, can have higher value. What does that mean? AU, 50 to 53, the coin saw limited circulation. It retains at least half its original mint luster, but under a magnifier, you'll see minor contact marks or hairlines. Key difference. An AU, 55 to 58, grade has even more luster preserved. Market check. Looking at recent sales, an uncirculated BU 1981 20 sun might sell for around $6 to $12. A standard circulated one often sells for under $4. Point 4. Where to find real prices. Visual. Screen recording showing eBay sold listings. Don't just look at asking prices. To find true market value, check sold listings on auction sites like eBay. This shows what people actually paid. You'll see the real range, from a few dollars for circulated examples to a premium for professionally graded, flawless pieces. Let's recap the vault's findings on the 1981 Malaysia 20 sun. 1. It's common. With 144 million minted, it's not a rare coin. 2. Base value is low. A typical circulated coin is worth $1 to $4, mainly for its metal or as a filler in a collection. 3. Condition is key. Significant value, think $10 plus, only comes from pristine, uncirculated specimens. 4. Beware of myths. That $144 figure is a major red flag. Always verify with sold auction data. It's a cool piece of Malaysian history, but not a retirement fund. The real treasure is the knowledge you now have to accurately assess it. Your turn. Go check your coins and let me know in the comments what you find. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. We're busting coin myths every week. Want more? Click here to watch our video on how to spot valuable error coins, or here to see a truly rare Malaysian find that is worth a fortune. Links are all in the description how to spot coin errors video and most valuable common coins video from your channel.